Hi, my name is BTD, and today we're gonna find out, will you press the button? That is the question of the night, maybe. Okay, sorry. You can eat your favorite food whenever you want, but people you love can only eat cereal for their whole lives. What? Whenever you want? That's a pretty big deal, you know. I could do this, man. But people you love can what? Yes, of course fucking I will press the button. Whoa, 4951. Let's type one. Next. You can understand every language. It's one of the main things that we can want in life forever, ever, you know. But nobody can understand you, not even in English. You can understand, but nobody will understand what you this even a sample. What? No. You can be the most sexually attractive person possible. I think changing a priest will. I know. You're sterile. Sterile? What the fuck is that? I know English. Shut the fuck up. I don't fucking understand what. So I no. Could live forever.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it.
See, that's the fucking point of living forever, you dumb bitch. That's not. No, 40, 50. What do you really want to? I'll English. You'll be able to materialize things from any reality, including people and entire cities. That's fucking cool. The universe will alter itself at will, and it will be up to you to do with anything that may result. Next. Good grades in school. No social life. Actually, this is how it works, isn't it? Like, you can't even fucking. This is how it works. That's how we create. This is how it's going. Good grades, no life. Good grades. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's already me, so I'm flying fucking notes. Yeah, you get to eat cookies whenever you want, but they're healthy. And there's no chocolate in them. Where the fuck not? Like, really? You don't want a free cookie? Like 43% of the fucking people don't want a free cookie. Who are you? What the fuck are you? I don't fucking trust you. You will receive 10 million fucking. You will be erased from everyone's memory. That's interesting one. You can do a lot by doing this. Rubber bank. What's 10 million, man? You can save a lot of lives. Yeah. You can change some shit. It's a lot of money. Everyone will like you, not over the internet. Nobody likes me anyway. Why the fuck not? Why the fuck? You can spend as much time on Netflix as you want. I don't watch Netflix anyway, so I don't really give a flying fuck. But you can only watch romantic comedy. Okay, next. But being agonizing pain every second of it. What is agonizing? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck. Thank you very much. Oh. Fuck. Sorry. A second of life. It doesn't make fucking sense. Be the worst, happiest man. Agnes pain every second of your life. Well, I'll be happy.
Stop it. So get some help.
Why the fuck not? Yeah, I'm okay. Why? I'll be happy with it. So why the fuck not?
Get some help.
You become. You're. Baba, even. Man, fucking level. whatsoever. What the fuck? No, that's fucking weird. No, 50 fucking 48. Not for me. I'm not. Fuck that. You become the most attractive man or woman on earth. Everyone thinks you're. Why? I'm not any of it, but I don't have like any against of it. Yeah, why not? You know, I'm not 12. I don't really care what other people think. You know. Why not? You can still be aware of who your perfect soulmate is. Whoa, but you could never be with them. So what's even the fucking point of this question? Then they're not your soulmate exactly. You're able to transform into any shape or size you want, but can't find love ever. No, I would not press this button. I was never going to find love anymore. What is you turning to them? You can fly really fast. Every 20 minutes your flying ability will be disabled. Can you imagine? I'll leave you with this one, and yeah, share this video, like to become a psych, and I'm out. Bye.